Imagine that someone is trying to break in inside of your house, and then you call 911, and there is drone coming into your house within 30 minutes to film everything. Or imagine that there is like a street fight, and you just call 911, and then there is a couple of drones which are there within like 30 seconds, which is much faster than like usual police. So in average, police come within 7-12 minutes, and if there's like a helicopter, it also takes time. But drones, they are cheap, they're effective, and they're fast. And this project, it's already working, so it's already has been tested in Santa Monica. It can also be used for prevention of fires. Or imagine that someone is having a heart attack, and drone can deliver like defibrillator within 30 seconds. I mean, this is just like a life-changing experience. This is such a cool startup, so it calls AirDome, and I think that more cities need to start using this technology immediately, because it can lower crime rates, it can improve life of every city, of every community. So yeah, check it out.